RevContent Platform Review, Usage Experience. Links to RevContent are in the description. RevContent is a native advertising platform designed to drive high-quality traffic through engaging content recommendations. Unlike display ads, RevContent specializes in native placements that blend seamlessly with publisher websites, making ads appear as organic content rather than intrusive banners. This approach enhances user engagement and increases click-through rates, making it a strong alternative to networks like Taboola and Outbrain. One of RevContent's key advantages is its focus on premium publishers. The platform partners with high-quality websites, ensuring that advertisers reach engaged audiences rather than low-value traffic sources. This makes it particularly effective for brands in finance, health, e-commerce, and other industries where content-driven marketing performs well. The platform also offers advanced targeting options, including geographic, device, and interest-based segmentation, giving advertisers precise control over who sees their ads. The bidding system operates on a cost-per-click (CPC) model, allowing advertisers to control their ad spend while optimizing for performance. RevContent's AI-driven algorithm ensures ads are shown to users most likely to engage, helping to improve conversion rates. Advertisers can also blacklist underperforming placements and refine campaigns based on detailed analytics. For publishers, RevContent provides one of the highest revenue shares in the native advertising space, making it an attractive monetization option. The platform is known for its strict approval process, ensuring that both ads and publishers meet high-quality standards. This results in a cleaner ad ecosystem, reducing the risk of clickbait or low-quality ads that can hurt brand reputation. RevContent is best suited for advertisers looking to drive conversions through content marketing rather than direct response ads. While it may not offer the massive scale of Google or Facebook ads, its ability to deliver engaged users through native placements makes it a strong option for brands focused on quality traffic. If you're looking to test native advertising for your business, check out the links in the description to get started with RevContent today.